Hey there. Today I'm just going to be showing you how to implement Magic Form AI onto your Square Online website. We're going to start on the dashboard here. I'm going to click on Website, then Edit Site. This will take you to the editor. And then you're going to want to find the page that you want your AI assistant to be on. Now you're going to click the Add button. Once you're on the page, you're going to click Section, and then you're going to click the Embed Code option. Any of these styles should work. And then we're just going to click Add. Then here, you'll paste the code that you received from the Launch tab on the Magic Form AI website. You're just going to paste that in here. And then you should be able to click Done. And then just click the preview button right here to see the changes on your website. You can see that that's a clickable thing right there. And then you should be good. Your business automated smarter.